Yes, this is Dr. Moorthy, Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of lean manufacturing. So in this lecture series, we have discussed about the basics of lean manufacturing and what are the elements and the key tools available in the lean manufacturing and how the lean manufacturing system going to affect increase the overall efficiency of the industry or production, and what are the difference between lean manufacturing and conventional manufacturing, in what way it is excel the overall efficiency of industry. So that is what we have discussed in the video that we have discussed earlier, and in this video we are going to discuss about a topic called leadership development and workforce preparation. And so in the industry there is a huge demand in the leadership development, and with the leadership development is making the employers to work in the effective way and in the positive direction, and they are motivating the employers to focus on the industry development and industry growth. So in that aspect the leadership development plays the major role. So here the leadership development is the teaching of leadership qualities, including the communication with the employers or customer, ability to motivate others, and management and to an individual who may or may not use the learned skill in a leadership position. That is, the as a leader they have good communication ability to interact with the employers or the customers or with the management persons, so that better communication will develop the improvement in the industry. So here that leadership development programs like followed to make be clarified, defined like comprehensive and communicated throughout the organization, have the leadership commitment. So these development or program that inculcate the leadership quality or commitment to the employers or the leaders. And here the what are the leadership skills competency that is really required to make the real leader. So here qualities like how to manage relationship and expectation during the transition to the leadership, communicating clearly effectively with the customer or industry or employers or management person, and how to manage or resolve the conflict developed within the industry or outside, and techniques to make or to drive the change in the process, how to coach on behavior to improve results and increase performance in case there is a low in efficiency, low in production or performance, the low and low in confidence of the employers, and in what way we the leader to motivate the things and setting and achieving the goals. And here next one is the key to success. The key to success is the leader should have the really good communication skill and competency to make or to discuss or to with the within the organization or outside the organization, like the clearly defined what the industry is developed, and the some to analyze the performance and the process, and to make the employer to motivate the employer to the industry growth, and to give the motivation to the employer, like a key to success, like so that in that way definitely we are in the really we are in the process or in the way to increase the overall efficiency of the process. Next one is the workforce planning, and workforce planning is the really required things in the industry, and the what are the required production things or flow, work the steps or sequence followed in the each way, and proper planning is really required to achieve the success. So that is what the picture says. And here the workforce planning is the process to measure and compare your current workforce resources with your future workforce demand. So we need to have the better clarity, that is what we have and what will come in the future, that is the demand will come in the future. So by means of making the correlate between the require what is the availability and what is the demand, so that definitely we will make the good improvement in the industry. So this is what the leadership qualities and the workforce planning is really motivating the person to make the industry in the good place. Thank you.